What's going on, everyone? So I just picked up this Dewalt compressor. It's a 30-gallon, 155 psi. It's a DXCM301. This is my first time actually using it, and I was just surprised on how much water I'm actually blowing out my sprinklers right now. And there's a lot of water inside that filter. So I'm actually gonna turn on a zone so you guys can see it. That's a lot of water for the first time use. And this is why, guys, you gotta make sure when you use your compressor, you got a filter on there, because all that water is going into your tools if not. So make sure you guys put a filter on your compressor. If not, you can get a lot of damage to your tools. Thanks for watching. See you next time.